Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from UniceHair. However, this is from UniceHair SHEIN website. So technically the link will bring you to SHEIN. I'm assuming they must have some type of collaboration with UniceHair. But anyways, this is their 7x5 pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached lace closure body wave wig. It is considered a wear and go beginner friendly wig. It's 100% human hair, 180% density, but in my personal opinion, it feels a lot thinner. And I do have this wig in 20 inches. So this wig install is going to be very quick and to the point, you guys, because the wig literally comes ready to go for you. So there's really not anything that you have to do. I'm giving you a quick unboxing, then I'm going to give you some close-ups of the hair per usual. Fresh out the box, the hair was very shiny, bouncy, silky. It felt very soft. Again, it's a 7x5 lace closure, and the wig cap has the combs, adjustable straps, and the non-slip silicone base. So per the usual, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation all over this lace. You guys know that that is crucial. This just helps the lace to match my skin color a lot better. I know they pre-bleached the knots and all that good stuff, but adding foundation really is key to making sure your lace melts beautifully. Then I went ahead and I threw the wig on. I'm going to make sure everything is centered and fitting me correctly. And I will be going in with some lace melting spray to help out with the melting of that lace because she was not laying as flat as I would have liked her to. So I got the lace as good as I could. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I wasn't 100% happy with it because something just seemed very off to me, and I don't think you guys can really tell on camera. I mean, I feel like they did do a good job with the lace size overall, meaning you can part it in the middle, you can part it on the sides. They did the pre-plucking, the pre-bleaching, and everything like that. I think it was just the color of the lace that was throwing me off. But anyways, as you guys can see, I did decide to go ahead and recurl the hair, and that's just because I personally do not like old curls like that. So if something's bothering me, a lot of times I just go ahead and I recurl the hair. But that is optional, you guys. It did come pre-curled, so if you don't want to do all that and you're happy with how it looks, then you don't have to take the extra step that I did. So now I'm just fixing the hair to my liking. I went in with my hot comb once more just to kind of touch up some areas, and that's honestly all I did, you guys. Again, this tutorial is very quick, and that's because overall the install portion was very quick. I edited out some stuff that was pretty repetitive, but I pretty much just kept it very simple, as you guys can see. Once again, it is a 7x5 lace closure, so if you do not want a middle part, you can part it to the side. I showed you guys all the lace room earlier, and as you can see, it was very flowy, it was very bouncy. She was very soft and shiny. I did not add like any additional product to the hair besides my wax stick to help with the flyaways, and that's it. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box. Everything will be listed there per the usual. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.